Welcome back to another book cover review. Today we're taking a look at something from Accademia Barilla. This is Fish, Delicious Recipes for Italian Favorites. So here on the front cover, we can see here some stock photography. If we look at the binding portion, again, Fish, Accademia Barilla, and Taunton Press. 40 recipes for fish, as described here on the back cover, with more description and photography, and some pricing and barcode information at the time. If we look at the inside cover pages, we can see here a kind of a chef's hat illustration. And on the back pages, we can see here the print information. This is from 2013. If we jump to the front, we have a title page, as well as a little bit more information in stock photography. And then the contents with a little bit more publishing information there. The book itself has lots of photos with accompanying text and the recipes themselves. If we jump towards the back, we do have an index, but it is actually an ingredients index starting on page 92 and continuing on page 94 for a little bit more information there. But again, the style of this book is lots of photos, recipes, and accompanying text, as you can see there. But taking a very quick look at something from Accademia Barilla, this is Fish, Delicious Recipes for Italian Favorites. This has been another book cover review. Feel free to check out the book review media reviews on the channel. We also do unboxing videos as well as show and tell videos on vintage milsurp tools and expanded topics. And we also do a series called Curios for the Curious, videos on more artsy type objects. Feel free to check all those out. Feel free to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching. See you next time.